You've been trying for a long time, trying to heal, trying to stay calm, trying to keep up with a world that is moving faster than your biology was ever meant to go. The quantum human upgrade isn't another thing for you to do. It is the place where you stop doing. I've mapped the science and calibrated the frequencies so that the moment you enter this space, this sphere, your nervous system recognizes it as the exit ramp from the noise. Entering the platform at nvibe.life feels like finally closing the door to a loud, chaotic street and stepping into a sanctuary that already knows your name. Whether it's the Sacred Breath Protocol or the Quantum Neural Series, the hard work is done. The only job is to be right here and right now. This is more than a membership. It is a biological homecoming. It's the sovereign bridge back to the version of you that is already coherent, already whole, already home, already empowered. Welcome to the center. I'll see you inside.